This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gale. Land-owned home. Built in 2006. Immaculate 2-bedroom/2-bath on the preserve. AC replaced in 2021. Open floor plan. All bright white kitchen appliances. Queen-size guest bedroom. Good-sized master bedroom with attached bath, large closet. Tile floors in kitchen and both bathrooms. Home is being sold furnished, turnkey. Awesome front porch. New electrical box in 2022. Storage shed at end of carport. Tenant occupied, small dog on premises. For more information, review the details below or contact Gale at 772-233-5391.